Improve your vision with eye exercises. Today we're going to look at sideways viewing. This is the second video in your eye exercises sequence. This will help you to relax your eyes and this will help to correct squinting. Let's start. Hi, I'm Al from yogagangia.co.za and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Now hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it and you will be notified as soon as I upload anything new. And don't forget to catch the tip of the day at the end of this video. This is video 2 of our eye exercises sequence. And we're going to do sideways viewing exercise. So you can sit comfortably, or if you want to exercise two things at one time, you can choose. You can all sit in base position, that is with the legs straight in front of you, feet hip width apart, and you activate the core to keep the spine nice and straight with your hands on your knees. And we're going to start with bringing the arms up, shoulder height. You can sit like this, or if this is too much for you, because here we're exercising the core and the eyes, but that is not needed. If you only want to focus on your eyes, then come into any comfortable sitting position for you. And we're going to bring our arms up, shoulder height straight. We're going to make soft fists with the thumbs sticking out to the ceiling. And you're going to bring your arms a little bit forward, just a tiny bit, until you can see both thumbs in your peripheral vision. So your head stay still, you're looking straight forward, do not move the head, arms up, thumbs up, and just when you can see your thumbs in your peripheral vision, then stop and hold it there. And we're going to work from here in this position as follow. Okay, so arms out to the side, thumbs in your peripheral vision, and we're going to start. You're going to inhale and you're only going to move your eyes, not moving the head, not moving the body, only the eyes. You're going to inhale and look in the center of your forehead. See my eyes in the center of the forehead. You're going to exhale to the left, so your eyes look at the left thumb. Only the eyes move, the head stays still. Inhale, center of the eyebrows, the forehead. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. And that is one round. So inhale, center, exhale left, inhale, center, exhale right, inhale, center. That is one round. And we're going to do 10 rounds. Now you can, if this is the first time you're doing this, you can do 5 rounds and build up to 10 rounds. If your arms get tired, you can place your arms on something to help you holding them up. But it's also a good exercise for your arms to keep them up. Okay, so let's start. 10 rounds if you can. Focus on your breathing and do not strain your eyes. Inhale, center, exhale left, inhale center, exhale right, inhale, exhale, center, right, center, exhale left, inhale center, exhale right. Inhale, remember to keep your shoulders relaxed. Exhale. Do not strain the shoulders. Inhale, exhale to the right. Relax the jaw. Inhale, exhale to the left. Relax your neck. Inhale, center, and your shoulders. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, release your hands. Now we're going to do palming after. Always do palming after your eye exercise. Those of you who don't know what is palming, please see video 1. I will leave the link below in the description box, or you can catch it up here. Palming, bring your hands together and rub till you feel heat in your hands. Softly close your eyes and place the palms of the hands on the eyes. Feel the heat, relaxing the eyes, observing the darkness. When the heat has dissipated, you can inhale, exhale, release, keep the eyes closed, and another round. Do 3 rounds of palming after your eye exercise. When you feel the heat is gone, release, and again. Inhale, exhale, place the palms of the hands on the eyes softly. Relax the muscles in the eyes. And the exhalation, release. Softly blink the eyes a couple of times and open the eyes. This is great to release tension in the eye muscles, and this will help you to correct squinting. Tip of the day. If you feel your eyes are extremely tired, what you can do is you can splash cold water on your eyes. Keep your eyes closed and just splash some cold water a couple of times on your eyes. What this will do is it will relax the muscles around the eyes and release tension. You can do this whenever you feel you need to refresh your eyes, even before your eye exercises or after the eye exercises. If this video was helpful, give me the thumbs up and hit the like button, and comment below how was your experience during this eye exercise. And thank you for watching. Ariom Tatsat.